Weekends don't exist. What the hell do I mean? I mean that rest is required, but it need not be on society's schedule. If you need to work very hard for 6 months to put some dream into reality or get yourself out of some dip in life, do it. You can. The day of the week doesn't matter. Just don't forget that that very hard pace is not really sustainable for most. I'm not Elon. You're not Elon. Elon's barely Elon. Part of this has to do with what you consider hard, because it feels like work to you and it feels like play to your competition, assuming you have competition, then eventually they will eclipse your efforts. But the opposite's also true. If it feels like play to you, you'll do it on the weekends freely. Look, man, all I'm saying is that Saturday is when the corporate climbers like to ignore their families and catch up on emails. Sunday is for those who love the game to execute in peace. Anyway, short video this week. Love you. Bye.